In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete chat history in Telegram. If you've got conversations you want to tidy up without removing the entire chat thread, this is exactly what you need. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along whether you are on mobile or desktop. First, open Telegram on your phone or your computer. Take a second to make sure you are signed in and on the main screen where you can see your list of chats. Clearing history only affects the specific conversation you choose, so nothing else will be touched. On mobile, tap to open the chat whose messages you want to remove. You'll see the conversation view. Look to the top of the screen for the menu, depending on your device and Telegram's layout. You'll either see a three-dot icon or you might need to tap the profile name at the top to reveal the options. From that menu, select Clear History. That action wipes the messages in that conversation while keeping the chat itself in your list, so the thread remains but the timeline is empty. It's a quick way to declutter without losing the contact or group entry entirely. If you are on Telegram desktop, the process is just as straightforward. Find the chat in the list on the left side of the app. Right-click that chat to bring up the context menu. Then click Clear History. Just like on mobile, this removes the messages from that conversation and leaves the chat in place. Ready for a fresh start? A couple of tips as you do this. Double-check that you've opened the correct chat before you clear anything, especially if you are working through a long list of conversations. Clearing history is meant to be decisive. It's for when you are sure you no longer need the messages in that thread. If here is anything you want to keep for reference, review the chat first, then proceed. Also keep in mind that clearing the history is different from deleting the entire chat. Here, we're only removing the messages while keeping the conversation entry available so you can continue chatting from a clean slate. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.